In this video, you will learn how to create this style of animated video for completely free. Here is the sample video of what we are going to be creating.
In the vast, twinkling tapestry of the night sky lived a little star named Sparkle. While her brothers and sisters shone with brilliant confidence, Sparkle's light was shy. One night, a wave of doubt made her glow flicker and then vanish completely. And so she fell down to a world she had only ever dreamed of. She was scared and alone, her light now just a dull pebble. But this forest, the Glimmerwood,
For us to achieve this video, we are going to follow 4 simple steps. For the first step, which is to write our script, we'll be using DeepSeek to do this. When you get to DeepSeek website, you just sign in with your Gmail account. Here, you will see new chat. Click on it to open a new chat, and when you open the new chat, this is the prompt I'm using. Short AI 3D pizza style Disney short film. Provide me 6 scenes and prompts to use in generating the video using grok AI. It is a children's story. Add voiceover. Anything you want to create your video about, give it to the AI. You can also provide in your topic right from here. So after giving this to the AI came up with this particular short film title, The Little Glimmer. Go down here, and then this is a voiceover style. Remember, we will use this voiceover style later, so I will tell you how to use this particular instruction when we generate our voiceover. Now let's go down here, and then we have our scene 1. So if you come down here, this is a voiceover that we need to use for this particular scene, and then this is the visual style that we will use for this scene. Now when you come down, you are going to see AI prompt. This AI prompt is what we will use to generate our AI video or our AI image for this video. So if you are going for image or if you are going for AI video, I'm going to show you how to do both of them. So if you want to have a longer story, then it means that you need to have longer scenes. You can have up to scene 20 as the case may be. After getting this, now let's go ahead to generate voiceover for this video. So for the voiceover part, anywhere you see voiceover in each of these scene, that is what you are going to copy. Right from here, we have the voiceover 1. So we are going to highlight this voiceover here, then copy it. So for our voiceover website, we'll be using this website called Google AI Studio. So this is the spelling, Google AI Studio. When you come to this website, this first one you see here, click on it. This is how the website is going to look like. Come down and look for text to speech with Gemini. Once you click on that, you have this interface. Then on the right hand side here, you will see single speaker audio, and you also see multi-speaker audio. Click on single speaker audio, and then come down here and select the voiceover you want to use under your video. So for this voiceover, we have different voiceover actors right from here. In my next video, I will discuss how you can have consistent voiceover on this website. So you can click on this play option to listen to how the voiceover sounds like.
ready to build something awesome today?
All right, so let's just go with that. So I'm going to select that voiceover, and now we have our style instruction. We'll come to this style instruction later because this is the interesting part of creating your voiceover. Paste in all your voiceover. So I'm going to go back again, and for our scene 2, we'll go down and look for where we have voiceover listed under scene 2. Copy the voiceover, then go back to the Google AI Studio. Under here, paste in the voiceover. Go back again to the script and copy the voiceover. So for this, let's just stop at the scene 3 so that this video won't be that long. So let's go down here, and let's say this is our entire voiceover. Now it's time for us to pay attention to the style instruction, because this is what is going to give us that tone that we expect from our video. So let's just go here, and then we'll go up here where you see the style, the voiceover style. That was why I told you that this voiceover style is very important. So from here, we are going to copy warm, gentle, and narrative like a classic Disney pizza film. Example voiced by someone like Julia Andrews or James Eyre and other. So we are going to copy this now, this style, then come over here where you see read aloud in a warm and friendly tone. What we are going to put there is this, what we just copied. Read aloud, warm, gentle, narrative like a classic Disney pizza style film. We have just added that now, and now we'll go down here where you see this run button. Click on that run button, and your voiceover will start generating. After some few seconds, you are going to have your voiceover. So if you come down here, this is the voiceover that has been generated. So we are going to play this voiceover, and we'll listen to how it sounds like, and I will explain some things to you from here. So let's play this.
In the vast, twinkling tapestry of the night sky lived a little star named Sparkle. While her brothers and sisters shone with brilliant confidence, Sparkle's light was shy.
So you see that, you see the voiceover, you see how it sounds, you see the tone it used. So if you go here, this is why that voiceover is sounding like that, because of the style instruction that we have given to it right from here. Okay, so that is why the style instruction is very important when you are creating voiceover using Google AI Studio. I will talk more on this in my upcoming video. Okay, so do well to subscribe and like this video. So come down here, click on these three dots and now download your voiceover we have just generated. And to generate this AI video, we are going to use this website called Grok AI. Website name is going to be on the screen right now so you can know the spelling of this website. So when you come to Grok AI, you will sign up with your Gmail account, and on the left hand side here you will see Imagine. Click on that Imagine and now you can have access to generating AI video. Now let's go back to our script again and we'll start from our first scene. So this is our scene one. So when you come down here, you will see AI prompt, and this is the description we will use to generate our scene. So for this first scene one, we'll copy this description and then we'll go back to the Grok AI. Downside here, you will see type to Imagine. Before you enter in your description, you will need to do this. So here you will see this button, click on it and you can select aspect ratio that you want to use. This is a new feature that has just been added on Grok AI. So we are going to select the landscape video. That's if you are going for a YouTube landscape video, or if you are going for a YouTube short, then select this particular one. Now you need to select video because we want to generate video. Before, you can only generate image, and before you convert the image to a video. So let's go with video, and then in this place you enter in the description which we just copied. After that, click on this send button and your video will start generating. So guys, after some few seconds we have your video ready. Let's play this video. Alright, so that's what I was looking for. So after getting your first scene, then you need to come here where you see this download button, click on it to download your video. Now let's go back to generate our second scene. So now we'll go down here and this is the prompt to use for our second scene. We'll highlight this prompt now, go back to the Grok AI, and on the downside here where you see generate, click on that place and then you click on generate to generate for our second scene. Okay, so we have our second video. Now let's quickly take a preview. You're going to generate all the scenes for your video and then we move on to our step 4. So now that I have all my scene ready, it's time for us to put these scenes together with our voiceover and then we have our final video. And to do that, we are going to be using CapCut. So go over to CapCut if you're using your mobile phone or if you're using your laptop. When you get to CapCut, click on create project. And now we have our project being created. So from here, we need to import those videos that we just generated. Click on import and make sure you import all your videos. So these are my videos, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this is the voiceover I generated. So click on open and now we have all our resources for our editing. So what we are going to do now is to come over here where you see this voiceover, click on the
In the
voiceover.
vast twin
So drag the voiceover down to the downside here. We now have our voiceover being added. So now we are going to play and then we know all our scenes from the first scene to the last scene. So for this scene, this is the first scene of my video. So I'm going to drag that, bring it down. So now let's play.
In the vast twinkling tapestry of the night sky lived a little star named Sparkle, while her brothers and sisters shone with
So after adding all your scenes to match the length of your video, you can then go ahead to export your video and your video is ready for you to use. So this is how you this is how you create this style of video for completely free without having to pay anything. Thank you guys for watching this video and I will see you guys in my next video.